Hello friends, welcome back to Financial Pathshala. Today we will discuss about sovereign gold bond scheme. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel as on this channel we share the latest information about financial products, services and market so that our viewers can take right decision about their investments. So without any delay, let's start the video. We Indians always keep on buying gold according to our pocket obviously, and we never think of selling it as it is related to our reputation and emotional attachment. As we know, gold is also not made in India. It is purchased by the government of India from other countries and our government has to pay for it in dollars. Gold is an international commodity. As we know, dollar is an international currency. In the same way, gold is also an international commodity and it is also very expensive to buy. So keeping all these things in mind, Modi government in 2015 decided to introduce paper gold. You see, we Indians buy and wear gold for the sake of our reputation. Even sometimes when we are in a need of money, we require money, we are not in favor of selling it or taking any loan against our gold. This is called liquidity loss. We always think of accumulating gold and nothing else. So, to avoid all such things, Modi government decided to introduce sovereign gold bond scheme, that is paper gold. Now let's discuss why should we buy this. It is always better to buy paper gold than physical gold. For this you don't need any safekeeping. One more benefit is that its per gram rate is less than that of the market rate of the physical gold. Also, if you are buying it online, you will get additional 50 rupees discount on that. It is 100% pure and comes in government backing. And one more interesting thing is that you will get interest also on your investment. Have you ever thought of it? And it is not necessary that you have to buy 10 grams or 20 grams of gold. You can also go for 1 gram, 2 gram as you like. Now, who can buy this? Any individual, any HUF, trust, universities or charitable institutes are eligible to buy this paper gold. Now let's discuss about how much paper gold one can buy. For individuals and HUF, minimum limit is 1 gram and maximum is 4 kilograms. And for trust and universities, it is minimum limit is 1 gram and the maximum limit is 20 kilograms. Now let's discuss about the advantages of buying sovereign gold bonds. First is you will get interest on your investment and it is 2.5% per annum. Now it is also transferable. You will get a certificate of this and if you want to gift it to someone, then you can give that certificate to him or her. In this way it is transferable. You will get an appreciation also on your gold value. It is exchange traded. Like shares, it is exchange traded. If you want to sell it, you can do it. Now it is also demat friendly. If you want to buy it in your demat account, you can also do it there. Nomination facility is also there for this. It is 100% pure and comes with Government of India backing. Now interest and redemptions you will get in account only. That means the interest is 2.5% that will come in your account, and if a redemption mean if you are going to sell it, then you will get the amount in your account itself. One more important thing, you can keep this certificate of gold bond as mortgage and take the loan if you need. Now after 8 years it will get matured automatically, and after 5 years you have an option to sell it also. Now, should we buy this or not? I think keeping the above advantages in mind, one should definitely say yes to buying this. If you like this video, please share it and hit the like button. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Have a great day.